Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing unboxing and review of this resin modular storage box from Rigid. As you can see, it was shipped to me in a couple boxes, so that's the part where it's going to be unboxing. So I'm going to take them out of the box and we'll talk about that a little more. Upside down. Here's the handle. Okay, that's one. Here is the medium box. Here is the bottom rolling cart. Okay. Let me put them back together and we will look at that. Alright, so I put them all together here, as you can see, and this is the Rigid Pro Gear system version 2. So there is the version 2 there. They had a previous version and they made some improvements to it, and this is their version 2, which I heard from many people online that it is much better than the other one, so don't know. This is how it looks like, all three of them installed together, and the cost for this was $140 for all three. You can purchase them separately if you like, but they are selling them as a kit of three for $140 during the holiday season of 2023. So that's what I did, and they shipped them to me in the boxes you saw earlier. Alright, so there is a top box, and this top box has these latches, heavy duty metal and plastic combination, has a handle, has a place for lock, and it's on the side so you can lock them separately. And this can also be used as a handle if you want, but you don't have to. If you are carrying it around, you can. Opening. Alright, so here is the rubber thing around it here for the IP65 certification. So this is IP65 rated, meaning you can have it under rain, dust, or dirt, and it should protect your items inside. It's not meant for it going into like diving and stuff. So it includes this little tiny storage thing. Okay. Just a little piece of plastic. You can put little things in it. And it stores here neatly. And it includes mounting. This is for mounting to the wall, so you can mount it to the wall if you want to. Let me do individual boxes separately on that table. That might be better. This is a bit far. Okay, so this is closer and better view. So the lid can stay open like this, as you see. Oh, yeah, it stays open. Now my ground is not level. If your ground is level, then it will stay open. Mine is not. It includes these mounting brackets, so you can put these on the wall and this mounts to them. See on the back here, it has these things here, which is where it goes into the wall. I guess they call it fix and go. That's what it says on there. Okay, and that's for this. And it includes these dividers. Here we go. So there is two of them. If you want to make this a big storage, you can remove the dividers and remove this little box, and now you have big box there. So since I have these out, let me do a quick measurement. So the inside is 19, I want to say 19 and 2/8 or 1/8 of an inch. That's the length. And the width, 11 1/4, maybe even 11 and 1/8. And depth is about 4 to 4.5 inches. 4 1/4 maybe. That's for the depth. Okay, this is neat. Here. Alright, and it has, as we said, these heavy duty latches. It has a handle. Has these two grooves here, and they sell boxes to put on top of this one if you want, or they sell half a box that sits here, connects on in there, and then this other side connects with this, and you lock it in place, so you will have only half. They also have like vacuums and stuff you can put on top, crates and stuff like that. So pretty cool. I like the black and orange and white design of it. So that's the small one. Let's look at the medium. Here is the medium one. Let's see if it's in the shot. Yes, it is. Alright, so let me just demo the latches on the side. We'll do this quickly. So this is on top, and you would latch it like so. And to unlatch it, you just pull it. Let's look at this paper in case you're interested. This is for the top box. And it says here limited lifetime warranty on these. Pretty cool. And these are the mounting things to the wall. Okay. And the medium size, same latches, very sturdy. Stays open. It has similar storage here. Oh, smells plasticky. There it is. It has a divider, but it's not removable. Can put, screwdrivers and stuff there. Very convenient. And of course you don't have to use it, so it's included. And it can only be used in the back unless you flip it. If you flip it backwards, it sits in the front. Otherwise, in the back it's good. Just take it out. And also it includes the mounting brackets for this box, which is pretty cool, so you can mount it to the wall as well. Okay, and the inside is neat. The inside is just a box. Let's do some measurements. Okay, so the length, I don't know why I keep saying width. The length is 19.5 inches, and the width 11 inches, and the depth is 9 3/4 inches. And this is the same rubber seal there. Oh, this is not in place. No. Yeah, this was not in place. I guess they are assembling them so quickly. They didn't check that part. Okay, looks fine now. Alright, so let's move on to the one with the wheels. There's the lock in place, has a handle on top. Same holes if you have half a box. And nice logo on the front. In the back has plastic hinges, but it has a metal rod that connects them, which is pretty cool. And this is where the wall mounting thing goes. And the bottom is just plasticky piece like that. It has a sticker here, it says sold separately, but when you buy them as a kit, they give them to you all three together. Alright, let's look at the tag as well, since we are here. There is the tag. Includes mounting brackets and that little basket there inside, and also a limited lifetime warranty. Okay, so this is the top box, rolling box, the wheels. Same design in the front for the logo, same latches. Has a handle on top, also has this wheel handle. I'll show you in the back. Okay, so it has a footrest here if it's stacked and full, maybe heavy to pull it down without pulling the wheels with it, so you can put your foot here and just tilt it down and it comes up. These are the things you pull to bring the handle up. Oh, very stiff. Let me see if I put it on the floor, maybe it pulls up higher. It pulls up higher. I didn't have the strength to pull it with my fingers only at this table, so I put it on the floor. Was good. And now this is here, I don't know what it is, but it feels like some sort of a lock, and I'm assuming you can remove the handle. When you pull this, the handle comes up. We'll test it when I have it on the floor. Okay. The wheels are 9-inch wheels according to their documentation. And by the way, they say this version 2.0 is 10% larger in total capacity than version 1.0 for the Pro Gear storage. Wheels are 9 inches, and this feels like rubber, plastic, and there is no cover here, just the bolt locking nut is showing. It would be nice if there was a cover, but it doesn't matter. Just aesthetics. This card here, and it says it has a little storage thingy included. Also, limited lifetime warranty. Oh, smells terrible. Yeah, so here is some information, and it looks like that handle is correct. It is to pull the handle out if you want, but when you pull it, you're supposed to pull it towards you, not up, which I was doing, pulling up, but I was wrong. Has the same as the medium box, so maybe you can have both of these in the bottom or the medium. It's up to you. They will fit. You just need to flip one of them around. Okay, similar non-removable divider, and sits backwards here. Oh wait, it doesn't. On this medium box it doesn't. I mean bottom box, only the medium one you can set it backwards. The bottom one only goes one way. There. It doesn't go the other way here. Yeah, it doesn't. Alright, so let's do some measuring. The seal is in place correctly. Yeah, it's all good. So the length is 19.5 inch, and the width is 12 and a little bit more, a little bit over 12 inches, and depth is about 13 and a half inches. It has a sliders here that seems like you can put a divider in, but I haven't seen any attachments, so I'm gonna keep this out to put in that medium box. I'd rather have two of them in there and have the extra space in here to put stuff. Alright, so there is this. Let me put it down on the ground and we will check out how to remove the handle. Alright, let's try removing the handle. So it can be removed altogether like this. Now the key point is to have it tilted at like 45-degree angle and hold it with the top handle, and then when you release the wheels with that handle you just push down and it comes off. So it has to be tilted, otherwise it won't come out. Alright, let me put it back together. So this box also says fix and go. Now they don't include the mounting brackets for this because they assume you will use it with the included wheels. If not, you may be able to buy the brackets and set this on the wall too if you want to. that it is, guys. Thank you for watching this video with me. This has been an unboxing and review of this Ridgid Pro Gear system version 2.0. I hope you had fun watching it with me, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, fun to watch and informative. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.